That's the sound of wasting your money and your Saturday. A perfect lawn shouldn't be this hard. So, my team and I put over a dozen of the top-rated string trimmers and edgers through hell, thick weeds, tough edging, battery drain tests, to find the absolute best for 2025. And let me tell you, the brand that everyone recommends, completely failed. But the number 3 pick, a model you've probably never heard of, its performance was so shocking, it almost took the top spot. Stay tuned, because what we discovered will save you hundreds and get you a perfect edge in half the time. Number 1. Husqvarna 110IL FLXi. The Husqvarna 110IL FLXi cordless grass trimmer, battery and charger included, is a multifunctional battery weed trimmer and lawn edger for smaller yards. Trimming is easy with this battery trimmer that features convenient functions like automatic line feed and a foldable plant guard. The support will enable increased control when using this electric grass trimmer for trimming lawn edges. More than just a battery string trimmer and lawn edger, the Husqvarna 110IL FLXi allows you to easily switch functionalities thanks to 3 optional attachments, including a leaf blower, hedge trimmer and pole saw, that enable you to carry out all common yard tasks. There is also an extension pole for longer reach. This electric string trimmer features a low noise level, low vibrations and no CO2 emissions during use, contributing to a more pleasant working environment. A split shaft makes the electric weed trimmer and grass edger easy to transport and store with your lawn equipment and landscaping tools. This battery. Number 2. Worx string trimmer cordless. The 2-in-1 weed eater quickly converts from a lawn trimmer to an inline edger lawn tool and back again. Save your money and don't buy a separate weed trimmer and edger. The command feed spool system gives you line when you want it at the press of a button. The rubberized wheels provide traction and support for even, professional-looking lines when you're using the string trimmer. The head tilts 90 degrees so you can trim on uneven patches of lawn. The adjustable spacer guard protects the tops of flowers and plants. And at only 5.3 pounds, you can get your trimming and edging done without feeling fatigued from it. 2 powerful 20V PowerShare batteries are included with this purchase, which you can use on any tool on the Worx PowerShare platform. Number 3. Ego Power Plus String Trimmer. The EGO Power Plus 16-inch powerload string trimmer with telescopic carbon fiber shaft features patented powerload technology, allowing you to get back to work in seconds. Replacing the trimmer line is easier than ever. Just feed the line, push a button to wind, and go. Its lightweight and durable carbon fiber shaft is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. The telescopic shaft quickly adjusts to your height for ultimate comfort, and a quick-adjust auxiliary handle further dials in your preferred working position. The cordless string trimmer is built with a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers long run times, low vibrations, and a long motor life. It delivers a 16-inch cutting swath with bump feed line advance with 0.095-inch professional cutting line. It also gives you up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge with the included EGO 56V 2.5Ah arc lithium battery. The kit includes the cordless electric string trimmer, 2.5Ah battery, and 210W charger. Experience power beyond belief with the Power Plus 16-inch powerload string trimmer with telescopic carbon fiber shaft. Number 4. Husqvarna 330 IKL Combi Switch. The 330 IKL Combi Switch with trimmer attachment comes with battery and charger included. Large cutting path. Husqvarna 330 IKL Combi Switch electric string trimmer with 18-inch cutting path lets you spend less time trimming with this electric weed whacker. Easily switch attachments. More than just an electric weed eater, this battery string trimmer tool is attachment capable for over 15 tools in one, attachments sold separately. Active cooling system. Battery-powered weed eater tool with active cooling system offers consistent power and extended battery life while using the cordless string trimmer. Easy trimmer line replacement. Cordless weed eater is pre-wound with high-performance 0.095-inch titanium force trimmer line or rapid replace trimmer head for quick and easy line reloading. Number 5. Craftsman V20 RP cordless. In the realm of outdoor power tools, the 20-volt Craftsman occupies a lightweight, light-duty niche. It's an absolute pleasure to use. No, this isn't a weed-slashing brute, but it trims neatly and effectively. Its brushless motor and 5.0Ah battery won't give up on you before you finish the job. Plus, it's one of the easier trimmers to handle and is easy on the ears. It weighs a mere 6.8 pounds and is nearly whisper quiet on its low setting. One caveat here, it works vertically edging, but only if you have a light hand. Its single .080 line won't take a whole lot of dirt impact. Go easy and you'll be fine. So there you have it. Whether you're battling a jungle or just putting the finishing touches on a pristine lawn, one of these 5 trimmers is your ticket to a perfect yard without the headache. Ready to make your move? All the links to check the latest prices and buy your favorite model are waiting for you, right down in the video description. I've done the testing, you just have to click the link. If this guide saved you time and money, pay it forward, ***, smash that like button, it really helps the channel. Let me know in the comments which one you're getting. Share this with a friend who's struggling with their lawn. And if you want more no-nonsense tool reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next one.